Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make dual apps on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to use dual apps, so let's see how can you do that. So there are two different ways. The very first way is that you have to install a third-party application. So open your app store here and you have to search for dual app and you'll get a lot of apps which it can let you to use dual apps, but they are paid. If you want to use dual apps in free, so there's a best way to do that. You have to simply open your browser. Here you can see I have installed a lot of apps, including Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, TikTok, and much more. And now I'm going to make them dual. So open your Instagram, your browser here, and you have to simply search for the app which you want to make dual. For example, I'm going to make dual for my Facebook app. You have to simply go for search here and search for facebook.com. So I'm going to make dual for my Facebook app. So you have to simply search for facebook.com here and you'll get the website of Facebook login. You have to log in on this, but I'm not going to log in here. Just tap on this three dots in the top bottom right corner and then select this share option. And here you have to look for add to home screen option here. Simply tap on that and then you can rename it if you want, but I'm going to select naming it with itself. And here you have to select open as web app. Once you have enabled this toggle, tap on this add option and your app will be added. Now here you can see I have dual apps of my Facebook and now I'm going to use them. So here you can see they're my original app, which is my Facebook app, and my ID is logged into this app, and this is my dual app. I can easily use this with same like my original app here. You have to add your phone number or your password to log in with your account. So you can do this same method for your Instagram app. Go for search and search for instagram.com and the website will be open. Tap on this login option here and then tap on these three dots, then tap on share and then tap on add to home screen. Then tap on add and it will be added to your home screen. So here are my dual apps and here are my original Instagram app. Now let's try this for WhatsApp. Search for web whatsapp.com and let's see that can we make this for your WhatsApp. Simply tap on these three dots here, then tap on share option and here tap on add to home screen. Tap on add and you can see we have successfully created a dual app for our WhatsApp. Tap on this app to open it. Here if you want to use your dual WhatsApp app, you have to link your account with your WhatsApp. So once you have login, so I recommend you have to log in account in your original WhatsApp and then try to link it with your WhatsApp app and then you can change your account on your original WhatsApp app. So in this way, you can easily use dual apps on your iPhone or iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.